Yeet. Alright, what is up everybody? Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can get better lighting for really cheap.
Yeah.
Alright, so this product is actually from Newer, which you guys can get for yourselves over on Amazon, and I'll put a code down in the description down below, and you guys can get like 5 or 10% off just by clicking on that link and buying it for yourself. Now, the boxing itself looks pretty good, pretty self-explanatory, nothing like too crazy, but yeah, let's get into this. Alright, so yeah, the boxing looks pretty easy. Just slip these out the sides and oh, nice. Pretty small looking panels, but trust me, at least I hope these do, they should generate a lot of light. And they actually have these little panels that you can take in and out, and you see all the little light bulbs right there. They have these little lights so that you can make it seem like a different color, I think. Here, I'll get that out in just a second. Can we put this back? Yes, we can. Alright, so there's one, and here is two. And these buttons I'm guessing that these buttons make it go at a higher brightness and then a lower brightness, and then obviously just the power. And then right here, these are little stands, little tripods for it, and here's the little clamps for it, right? Or no, these are what screws into the actual, okay, this is what screws into it to put it on the tripod. And then down here we have the panels, which you can make it different colors. And I'll show you guys that in just a second. I cannot open this to save my life. There we go. So yeah, as you can see, if you get one of these panels down here, if you wanted to select the red color, then you can simply just take this out, and voila, we have red. Seems pretty self-explanatory. I'll set this up and put it just over in the corner or something so you guys can see it. And yeah, let's check this out. Alright, so I actually just got it plugged in right here, and let's turn this puppy on. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, that is... Jesus Christ, that is bright. Can it go brighter? Nope, that's max brightness. Alright. Here's me going down levels. Which I'm looking at this through the camera right now. This does not look the same as what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a lot more red. You guys are seeing a lot more just white. Like, I don't know, you can see these individual things of white. This is pretty much what you guys can see, but these look pink to me. And then this is like just pretty much red. But yeah, I'll try putting this, I guess, on my face. Like, I'll try setting this up, and then I'll put the camera facing towards me again, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so this is what they look like on the lowest setting, which, I mean, it's already pretty bright. And I'm gonna be doing these, like, panel by panel, too, so you guys can see. Because there's, here, I'll show you really quick. There is a red, which you can put in front of it. I don't know if you guys can really see that. There is a yellow, and then there is a I have bad fingers. Okay, it's blue, and okay. So I'll start turning these up. So again, these are on the lowest setting right now. This is what it looks like next setting. That's already fucking bright as shit. That one's brightest. That one. That one. Oh my god. Okay. This is already more lighting than you guys would ever need, but we're gonna keep cranking it. This is about to destroy my eyeballs, bro. Oh. Oh, Morocco. Oh my god, it looks so white right now. Okay, we'll tone that down. I think about halfway would be good. Right around here, but let's try this with the actual filters over them. We'll take this out, and does it actually look better without the... And you can't really tell the difference. Alright, here we go. We got both of the yellows. And I cannot see this at all because it is so bright. Here we go. There's one. And there is...
Come on.
There's two. Alright, so this is what it looks like yellow. This looks pretty good. I don't know. I'm kind of getting a yellowish green vibe, and I don't really think I like it that much actually. But again, I'll turn it down to the lowest setting on yellow. So this is the lowest setting, you know. Actually, let me go ahead and turn off my main light, which is just my overhead light. So you guys can see a little bit better what these are actually capable of, which, oh my god, when I'm looking around the room right now, all I can see is like the dots. I don't know if you've ever like stared at the sun for a little bit, and then you just see that wherever you look. That's what I'm seeing right now. It is insane. Alright, so again, lowest setting. Next setting, which this is already very bright, and this is on 2. 3. This is not gonna be worth it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, there's 10. Which, again, obnoxiously bright. Alright, we'll tone those down. Alright. Next, we have the... Ooh, it actually looks pretty good. Next we have the... I cannot see it all. We have the red. And let's get this out of here. Again, our 2 reds. Let's get that in there. And that in Shmine. Alright. Kind of a dark lighting. I don't know if I quite like this, but again, this is just the lowest setting, so let's turn it up. That's 2. 3, 4, 5. Again, we're getting obnoxious territory. Bro, I look like a carrot. Oh my god, it looks like Trump texture, dude. This looks awful. Okay, again, just way too bright. I think red on about 2. Yeah, about 2 is just... It's okay. I probably wouldn't rock it, but maybe if you want to switch it up for a video or something, maybe even seem evil, you can go for that. And then the last one we have is blue, which I cannot see right now. I'm blinded by the light. It's probably not good to do in a dark setting as well. But fuck it, I'm trying to let you guys see the full lighting and what it is capable of. Alright, so here's blue. Which, again, I don't know if I like this or not. But here we got setting 1, 2, which 2 is actually pretty cool. I'm not sure. I'm kind of torn. I think I'd probably just go with white, honestly, or just no filter over it. But again, getting into the bright territory where it hurts my eyes. Jesus Christ. Okay. And bringing it down. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and I'm going to try to put these in the back as well. In my background. Because, you know, some streamers or some YouTubers have the lights behind them. You can't really see that because it's already a blue wall, but yeah, I'll put them in the background and do a little shot so that you guys can see how good these look in the back. And I'll probably just do it with the red and the blue.
Come on.
And yeah, we'll check that out in a second. Alright, so here it is with the... I got both of them on red right now since my, my walls are blue. And it actually looks pretty cool. We can also try... I'll try changing one of them to blue. Let me change the right one. Let's try this. I mean, it looks okay. I just kind of wish maybe I could make the blue one a little bit dimmer, so that the red one peaks more. Actually looks pretty nice. You could use them as background lighting. I think they'd work better as foreground lighting, or whatever this would be called. Because you see, well, right now, I'll show you my little setup.
Come on.
For right now, I just have like some big old lamps. And yeah, that's pretty much the only lighting that I have right now. So I got these. I actually got other, more like floodlights, like heavy lights. And they can strobe and change colors, and they're a bit more like technical than that, but these ones are just used for mainly lighting up your face, but they could also work as this. Maybe if I had more of a white background, which I want to get later on, because I'm not a fan of this. I'm not a fan of this whole blue walls thing, but this was my sister's room before I took it over. Mainly because it's just bigger, and I actually have a room now that I can stream in. Which, before this, I was just downstairs, and I felt bad because I was super loud, and my stepdad would always be taking calls and stuff, so yeah, I just moved everything into here. And then this works way better, so yeah. Alright, so, yeah, that's pretty much the video. I could try... So yeah, that's pretty much the video. If you guys like this, go ahead and drop a follow. If you guys like this, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. That's totally free. And if you guys want to go check out my Twitch, I live stream every now and then. Not a set schedule yet because, I'm just working. I'm working a shift job, so I can't really choose what days I'm in and out. Just whatever the manager or the boss tells me to go to, so yeah, it's just kind of completely random. I'm usually streaming at nights, and yeah, if you guys want to join our Discord server or anything like that, you can go ahead, links down in the description. And if you guys actually want these lights for yourself, because they're actually pretty cool, I didn't expect them to be that good. Again, they are on Amazon for... There's some small ones, which are the ones that I have, but there's some ones that you can get that are like double the length of these, which... Here, I'll move you to them. You can see them down there. There's ones that are like pretty much double that height, so they'd probably go up to here. And they're only a few more dollars expensive, but... I didn't really need that, because these are just going to be the ones that are hitting my face, so they're just going to be on my desk, so they'll be fine. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace!
Cack is here.
You're spoiling.
It is.
I
Spoiler.
thought it was something super complicated.
You're spoiling the porno I'm gonna watch earlier, bro.
I didn't watch it.
Oh wait,
Wait, what?
Did you hear what it just said?
I heard what you said.
You
What?
spoiled the porno. I'm gonna watch it later. Wait, you
I'm
said
gonna watch
earlier.
earlier.
What's wrong with you?
I'm gonna